Struggling to come up with catchy YouTube titles? You're not alone. Crafting a title that grabs attention and works with the algorithm is one of the hardest parts of making videos. You can have amazing content, but if your title doesn't make someone click, you've already lost. Luckily, with the help of AI, you can generate clickable, optimized titles in seconds. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Before we dive in, give this video a like and hit subscribe for more AI-powered creator tips like this. Step 1. Use ChatGPT or any AI writer. Open ChatGPT or a similar AI tool. Type, "Give me 10 YouTube titles for a video about your topic that are optimized for click-through." For example, 10 YouTube titles for a tutorial on how to remove background noise in audio. ChatGPT will give you multiple hooks with emotional triggers, questions, and keywords. Step 2. Test variations. Ask the AI to make these titles shorter. Add urgency. Use numbers or list format. You can also say, make it sound like Mr. Beast or make it casual and friendly. Step 3. Plug into TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Paste a few titles into tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to check search score, competition, and SEO potential. Choose the one with the best balance of curiosity plus keyword match. If that helped, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. More AI YouTube tools are coming your way. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.